If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With low kilometres, this car will take you far and get you where you want to go. That responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: auxiliary input for your MP3 player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power windows, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.